In the house, my wife used to wear the gown that I use for the Court of Appeal matters. And then I told her, why then can't you think of earning your own degree? And I enrolled her in this great institution. Today, I'm also celebrating my wife, who is graduating, actually having earned the first class in her class. Again, do not fear supporting your spouses. If you're a young man, don't fear supporting your spouses. The only challenge she's given me when she joined the school here is I should proceed higher. So I went for my master's so that we don't I happen to be the same level. I hope there is something beyond PhD, because what I see in her is that she wants to get to that level. So I want to tell her congratulations. I may not do what Chairman has done, because from where I come from, I don't know whether it is right to also have my wife next to me, but she's somewhere seated here, and I tell her congratulations.